Hello, my name is George. I have a question. The question said, "It's good to stay with the host family?" Well, I think that is good because when you stay with a host family, you can learn most about the country. For example, if you stay with a host family in the United States, you can learn the history, language, dance, sports, music, almost anything. But the most principal, you can learn the language. The language is important in your life, and you can meet new people too. You can meet new friends. If you stay with a host family, you enjoy it because it's a good experience in your life. I hope you like it. See you. Good looking.